So students, coming to the concept of social dynamics, social statics का concept I have discussed in the previous videos. Coming to social dynamics, which means change or progress, and Comte's theory of social dynamics is founded on the law of three stages. Auguste Comte, as you all know, has talked about the law of three stages, whereby he has talked about theological stage, metaphysical stage, and positive stage. तो ये जो evolutionary stages हैं, how society moves from one stage to the next stage to the final stage, which is the scientific stage or the positive stage. तो इन changes को study करना, इन changes को समझना is social dynamics, and it is a process of progressive evolution. So this process of progressive evolution की study करना is understood as social dynamics. It begins with the study of the process of social changes. Therefore, it is concerned with the matters of social progress. Now, in social dynamics, we take into consideration all the processes related to social change and progress. And progress refers to orderly development, development which is not random but orderly, in an order. So, we cannot take order and progress separately. It is correlated to each other. That is why Auguste Comte, he says that social statics and social dynamics, they are two different aspects of the same theory. So dynamics begin when the functions of social institutions are altered and changed. We all know that order is maintained when there is balance and equilibrium in the society or the institutions. They perform their functions in a well established manner. But whenever there is change in the functions of an institution, dynamics, that is change, take place. And this change ultimately results into order. It describes the successive and necessary stages in the development in the human mind and society. So, whenever we take into consideration social dynamics, we take into consideration all the successive and necessary changes in the development. That is, all the evolutionary successive stages जो भी society में आ रही हैं through development process, all those changes are taken into consideration. So, moving on further, social dynamics depend on the historical perspectives in order to study the process of change and progress. तो जितने भी historical perspectives हैं, उनको हम we take into consideration while studying the process of social dynamics. Thus, social dynamics are found in all aspects of the society. सिर्फ एक aspect में नहीं, but in all the aspects of society, we find change. We find social dynamics. We find the relevance of change. That is in the physical aspect, in the moral aspect, as well as in the intellectual aspect. And according to Comte, intellectual aspect is considered as the most important of all. It refers to the pattern of the revolutionary progress in which the sequence of development is necessary and inevitable. So, we take into consideration under social dynamics, we take into consideration the pattern of revolutionary progress, जिसमें एक sequence है और उस sequence of development जो है that is inevitable, that is necessary as well as inevitable. Moreover, it is natural that the social systems, such as institutions, are interdependent so that they can make a harmonious whole. So, when we take into consideration the process of social dynamics in order to understand various aspects of the society, we take into consideration what that institutions, they are interdependent and they make a harmonious whole, the social system. So social system को समझने के लिए study of social statics as well as the study of social dynamics is important. Social statics study the order in the system, and social dynamics takes into consideration the changes or progress in the system.